The Solitaire Cache chat feature can stop loading when the app cannot retrieve the chat service, the app is outdated, or the current session has a connection problem. You can usually narrow this down by checking the connection first, then restarting and updating Solitaire Cache before treating it as an account or service issue. Start by switching your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and reopen Solitaire Cache. If you are using mobile data, try reliable Wi-Fi connection instead. If chat loads after changing networks, the problem is likely related to the original connection. Next, completely close Solitaire Cache. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Solitaire Cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Solitaire Cache from the recent apps. Then launch Solitaire Cache again and check the chat feature. If chat is still stuck loading, check for an app update. On Android, open Google Play, search for Solitaire Cache, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Solitaire Cache, and install the update if one is available. An outdated app can have problems communicating with newer versions of online services. Android users can also clear the temporary cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire Cache, then open Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache if that option is available. This removes temporary files without automatically removing the account itself. Avoid selecting Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you know your Solitaire Cache login information. Clearing stored app data can require you to sign in again. If other parts of Solitaire Cache work normally, but the chat feature remains stuck, check whether the app displays an error message or notice. A problem limited to chat can indicate that the chat service itself is unavailable rather than a problem with your phone. You can also test the feature after restarting your device. This can clear temporary system issues that prevent an app component from loading correctly. If chat fails on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, the app is updated, and restarting does not help. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling Solitaire Cache. Reinstalling will not necessarily fix a problem on the service side. At that point, contact Solitaire Cache support and provide the exact error message, your device model, operating system version, Solitaire Cache app version, and a screenshot of the loading screen. Those details give support enough information to investigate the problem. The practical order is simple. Change networks, restart Solitaire Cache, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, restart the device, and then contact support if chat still will not load. If this fixed your Solitaire Cache chat problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache troubleshooting guides.